Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable password reset protection on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Make sure you're logging to your account. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and Support. Scroll down a little and then tap on Settings and Privacy option. Now tap on Security and Account Access option. Among these four options, tap on Security. At the bottom of the screen, you can find Password Reset Protection option. Enable that option. To save changes, you have to re-enter your X password. And this is how you can enable password reset protection on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.